7 ways to make a good shampoo experience great. Starting with always massaging the scalp according to the client's preference. Some clients have a sensitive scalp and they want light massage, or it could be a firm massage. Ask the client if the water feels too warm, too cool, or just right. Adjusting the temperature always makes for a better experience for your client. Do not allow the water or your hands to touch the client's face. You do not want to get water in the face or cause irritation or wipe away their makeup. It is easy to miss the nape of the neck when shampooing and rinsing, so we definitely want to make sure that we have that area covered, and always check before you escort them to your station. Through the shampoo, be very careful not to drench the towel draped around the neck, and if so, then definitely replace it. When blotting your client around the face after their shampoo, be careful not to remove their makeup, as they may feel self-conscious about this. And as you learn to give a great shampoo, always focus on giving a great massage, and I will show you how. Massage is a method of manipulating the scalp by rubbing, tapping, kneading, or stroking it with the hands. Benefits include increasing scalp microcirculation and calming tenseness. Scalp massages are recommended for relaxation and to address scalp conditions such as dryness, minimum flaking, excess oiliness, and tight scalp. Scalp massages performed directly on the scalp and may be implemented before or after a shampoo service depending on the hair texture and the client's scalp needs. There are 2 techniques frequently used together in giving a scalp massage. The first one is effleurage and the second is petrissage. Effleurage uses stroking and circular hand movements. This technique is most often used for scalp massage. It can be done gently and rhythmically to relax your client, stimulate the microcirculation, and bring nutrients to the scalp. It is usually done with the balls of the fingers in forward to backward movements. With both techniques, the gentle stroking movements of the hairline and slowly move toward the crown with your fingers inside the hair, ensuring that you touch the scalp. Hair may need to be separated or sectioned based on texture and density to perform a proper massage. Do not scrape or touch the scalp and scratch it with your fingernails. Apply consistent and gentle pressure using the balls of your fingers. It is best to stroke the scalp sideways, following the shape of the hairline, and encourage clients to take deep breaths as you massage the scalp to increase oxygen flow in their body and promote relaxation. Indulging your clients in this service for 3 to 5 minutes is recommended. This could also be done with essential oils, and I'll link that video in the top. The other method to scalp massage is petrissage, which involves gentle pushing and kneading the scalp with the palms, fingers, and thumbs of the hand to help soothe muscles. Petrissage is often used in a therapeutic massage to loosen up dead skin cells from the scalp.